Hi everybody, it's Sheila. Welcome back to the Crochet Nurse channel. Today, what we are going to do is a Mary Maxim Crochet Kit of the Month unboxing. If you like this kind of content, please hit the subscription button below and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be informed of upcoming videos. This kit here is the August Mary Maxim Crochet Kit of the Month. I just received this today. Before we jump into that, let's go back and take a look at what happened with July's. As you know, I got July's, obviously, in July, and the pattern that came with that was for this tunic, which I'm actually wearing. So let me take you to a clip of me showing you what it looks like. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It actually turned out very nice. I made this in a size large, and as you guys remember from last month, it came with 3 skeins of yarn. The kit come with It's a Wrap Rainbow, 3 skeins. This is what I have left over. This is a size large. I have almost 1 full cake here left over, and then these are the 2 smaller ones. So it actually makes a quite amount of material here. So I have this left over, and I did a calculation. I'm actually going to make my daughter one, and she wears a size small, and I figured that takes, let's see, it takes 32 grams per panel to make a size small. And so I'll be able to get 2 panels out of each of this here. So right here is going to be a size small, and then I'll use a little bit of this cake to make the trim and to do the shoulder straps up here. And so for me, making a large and then a small, I'm going to get 2 items of clothing out of last month's kit. So I'm pretty excited about that. And I'm going to make for her, as you guys know, that she likes black. So it turned out really nice that the teal and the black is what's left over in those 2 rolls. So let's get going. So let's take a look at August. I'm very excited to look at August. I got the notification that it had come. Apparently, this guy weighed 1.6 pounds when it came in. I think I feel at least 3 skeins of yarn in here. I have my computer up so we can take a look at the pricing as well. So let's get going. Cut that open so we can see what's in here. We're not hoping for any pink, right? Well, maybe some of you are. If there is pink in here, I'll just make it for my daughter is what'll happen. You know? Because that's what I tend to do. Well, this one's being stubborn. There we go. It is not my scissors. Okay. And here we go. Oh, this looks pretty. So let's pull out my receipt here. And I am paying full price now. The first month that was $9.99 plus $7.54 in shipping. The price now on regular is $14.99 plus $7.54 in shipping, or $7.95 in shipping, which comes out to $22.94 all in. Okay, so let's see, we got a whole bunch of Flicka. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Okay. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balls of Flicka in there. And let's take a look at the pattern. Again, it comes in this nice bag, which I liked from last time, and I'm actually using it for other projects. Let's see what it is. So here is the project for this month. Cool. It is a beach bag blanket. So it's both, which is actually pretty cool. So on the front, this is the beach bag, and then check it out on the back. It actually turns into a blanket. How cool is that? That is super cool. And so it is saying that it's Lion Brand Flicka, which we already knew, 6 balls to make this a size H 5mm hook. And it looks like it draws it up. Extension. Yeah. So let's see. Let's take a look at this Flicka. I will certainly make that. 6 balls here. And I pretty much know what these cost. I just bought some recently. I got the different color, but we'll look anyway. Flicka for the cost. Let's take a look at what this is. I know a lot of us, ooh, that's a pretty color. I like that color. It's got the oranges and black. Let's take a closer look. Ooh, that's soft. Take a look at that. So, Lion Brand Flicka. This is, as we know, 196 yards, size 3 weight. This color is in Keepsake Souvenir. And if I remember right, this is 50-50, yep, 50-50 cotton, polyester. And I like that color. That's going to be really pretty. And like I said, I got 6 balls of that for a beach bag / blanket because it looks like it opens up. And the price on here that I'm seeing from Lion Brand, it actually says that they're $4.99 per ball. So that's easy math again, right? So 5 times 6 is $30, and I paid $22.94. Absolutely, I am happy with that. I will be making that. And it's interesting here that the color on here, so you guys who are getting this Mary Maxim, you guys might get a different color. I would have liked that color too because that's got a lot of oranges in it. But yeah, that is going to be cool to make. I really dig in the fact that once the bag is done, then it turns into a blanket to lay down outside. Okay, yes, I am happy with this month. Like I say, price all in was $30 for the yarn, and if I say $3 to $5 for the pattern, this is a Mary Maxim pattern, so $3 to $5, so $35, and I paid $22.94. Good value. I will be making this item, and you'll be seeing it next month when I do my review for Mary Maxim for September. Okay, guys, thanks for joining me. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you next time.